What is up, guys? It's Hackstep here, making another game update for you. It's been a little bit since I've made a proper, feature-heavy one, and that's because I started school and my schedule changed a lot. I used to be able to, just stay home all day and work on my game, and then go to work in the afternoon. But then it became, some days I was barely home at all, like maybe for not even an hour. At school I work all day. Um, so that changed. So I kind of had to get used to it. Now I had to make like a little schedule for myself to maximize the amount of time I can do each day for my game. So yeah, I think I got that figured out now. So it should be weekly again. I always say that every week and it never is. So it should be though. Um, this time I mean it. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes I put my art as my background. Deal with it. Okay. So there's a ton of stuff. Not a ton, but there's quite a bit of stuff. So firstly, I'll show you this. I kind of showed it last time, but I'll show it again because it's in correct FPS this time. So I added this little thing when you hover over it. So animation. I also added recently, I changed some of the icons so the item is more clear and you can see what you're wearing and you can see your weapon. Yep. And Gavin has an extra one because he has the shield. Okay. Um, so mostly what I was doing was working on the upgrade screen and crafting screen. And, oh yeah. And I also added another category to the items. So it's this one, this is temporary. So what these are things you can use to craft, essentially. So you have this one, test, blueprint. The thing in front is the name. I just named it test for obvious reasons. But so you have a blueprint, you have a design, you have a scroll. So for a blueprint, it's a weapon like template. So you could, if you give this to the blacksmith, they can craft you a weapon. If similarly, this design, if you take it to a tailor, they can craft you like clothes for you. And here, scroll, certain move you can learn. Now for this one, you have to go to like a specialist. So for example, if you had a move that was like a gun move, you'd have to go find a gunner to teach you the move. So I'm gonna come up with like an expert for each one. I'm thinking of using Jason from the Red Scarves because he uses a gun. So guns are still pretty new technology at this time, so he would probably be the best for that. Anyway, so here's what I was doing. So firstly, when you talk to them, the music comes up, and if you have a blueprint, they're like, "Oh, you have a blueprint." Use some dialogue, and then you just give it to them. They give you some dialogue. So they give you dialogue if you have any of it. So move, scroll, design one, drafting. So the blacksmith can only use the blueprints. They can't use the drafts or the moves because that's not what they do. So, and then you get the regular dialogue. Okay, so upgrading. So this one, you can see what you have currently. You can see what's in your inventory too. You can sort by category. Okay. I'm gonna add tokens too, but I just tokens are kind of a pain to implement anywhere because they're different, completely different class from the weapons. Like weapons and shields are very similar. Tokens are like an item, right? So they're I have to write some new code for it, but yeah. So for example, let's upgrade something. Oh yeah, I made all these icons too, I guess. So, I don't usually make icons so quickly, but people are gonna look at this game now, so I have to make it look somewhat pretty instead of just using white boxes all the time. Okay, so for example, you got this longbow. Let's see the icon of it, the name, the level, the stats. what you need to craft it, how much it's gonna cost, and finally this. Okay, so let's do one where I actually filled in the data. So you can see the description. Joe's weapon. It needs 3 slime jellies. You currently have more than that because it's like this. If you don't have enough, it'll look like this. It'll be red and grayed out. And also each blacksmith has like a specialty weapon. So Macho Man, his 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 weapon is his specialty is swords. So if you click on one that's type affinity, it'll give you this little thing. You get plus 10% for your stats, and it costs 20% less to do it. And you can just see if I go like to Joe, both have a base power of 50, but Gavin's sword goes to 80 instead of 75. I think 10% is okay. I don't think it's overpowered, but you know, I'll see. Like at higher levels, it might be. Oh wow, I gotta make that music loop. That's awful. Okay, so yeah, for example, let's do this one. So you click on upgrade, they'll come out, they'll play a movie. This movie I made, it's very terrible. I made this for class, and guess what? It didn't even play in class. I don't know why. I need to go to bed. Many such cases, sad. And then when it's done, it'll do this. You click again, and then it shows you got it. So now you can see it's level 2. You need 16 slime jellies. The power should have updated, but it didn't, so that's very sad. And I have to change that. But yeah, you can see it's 2 to 3, 50 to 75. I probably forgot to plug it in because all of them were 0 for so long. I just never put it in for the blueprint. That's probably what it is. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna guess. So, but you can see it when it's level 2. So, crafting. I'm still kind of implementing, but yeah, let's. Oh no, drop something. Let's implement that live and on air. Live and on air. Okay. I can kind of show you a preliminary crafting screen. So this is how it's gonna look like. So it's gonna, have the weapons that they can craft for you. And it's also, used for, the tailor, so it could also be for what you wear. So in that case, it would just show the icons of your current party members. So yeah. Let's do this live and on air. Yes, this is what the crafting screen would look like. It's very similar to the upgrade screen. Very similar, but quite different. Different enough that I had to copy and paste. Okay. Oh, it's not visible. I'm like, why is this not coming up? Yeah, genius. It's not visible. Many such cases. Alright. Incredible stuff. There we go. Okay. So let's make sure I got this plugged in where it's supposed to be plugged in. Oh boy. Okay. So I set this. Maybe I didn't even set it at all. That's possible. That's incredibly possible. Okay, I don't think it's in here. So it's probably in buttons. And then button upgrade. Imagine that. Imagine that. Let's see. Level up. Especially. current level, current. Oh, there it is, current level. Hmm. It should do it. I thought it did. Oh yeah, the level went up, but what about the power didn't go up, right? Bup, 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 bup. Oh, because it's two text integer and that doesn't update. That's why, I think. Well, then the level updated though. Big Humongous Alright, I'm gonna pause. This is getting too long. Okay, I found it. It's right here. So when I did refresh upgrade screen, I didn't set the power or the effect. That's why. So only the level was being set here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So now I'll just set it, I guess. Yeah, why didn't I just do that from the beginning? Oh, because I don't think I even had it as a thing at the beginning. Just... Why do I have it here twice anyway? I don't know. Oh yeah, because I wanted to see if it was the max level or not. If it's the max level, it just goes away. The entire thing goes away. But if it's not the max level, it should set up the shop info. Which I thought it did, but I guess it didn't. Oh, that's incredible. Get out of my face. I swear, that stupid site is like cancer on this earth. It just refuses to die. And yet it's on its last legs. And it's like, really? It's like every time you go there, it's like corporate hellhole. It's like, okay, rip your interaction with anyone if you don't draw a certain thing. God forbid, you want to be an original artist? Oh, forget it. Forget it. Just get your own site. Ridiculous. Okay. Should be fixed now. Hey, if you click, you can skip it. That did not fix it. I am incredibly annoyed. Why did that not fix it? What? Ugh, time to pause again. Okay, I found it. Here. I didn't send anything else. What, What, Come on, variable. Oh, they're all text. What is this? The best time to wear a striped sweater. This should be here. Button shop upgrade. Oh, gosh. Yeah, button shop upgrade. It's right here. Why in the world can't I get it? Now it's coming up. Or is it? No. Button shop upgrade. Object offense. It's only giving me stuff from... Dude. Because if I did this... Yeah, okay. This is what I have to deal with on a daily basis. Now it's okay. So, like, dude, it's the same exact thing, but it won't come up here. That doesn't make any sense at all. Zero, zilch, nada. But, whatever. Whatever. Yeah, I don't really have much to say. Yeah, just, I don't know, drink water. People say that a lot for some reason nowadays. Drink water. It's like, well, it's obvious. If you don't drink water, you're gonna die in 3 days. So, yeah. I mean, I think everyone's drinking water already, if you ask me. I'm a bit too cynical, I think. One with the color turtleneck. uh, yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll just talk about something. Yeah, Devonar is pretty trash. I mean, people stay there because they've been there for ages and they don't know what else to do. That's all. Okay, this needs 2 new ones. Well, oh, wait a minute. I think I know why I didn't do this. Because I have level. Wait a minute. Should I get the power normally? This is a bizarre episode. Yeah, I could just do this. Level up, and then just put the same level as it is here, and then put it in here. And that would work. Wow. Stupid department. Yeah, hello, idiot department. I'd like to file a claim. Well, at least I fixed this part. I mean, I don't know why that didn't show up. That's ridiculous. Yeah, so, it's pretty grim here. Pretty grim. I'm glad I finally got upgrading done, though. That's pretty nice. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of text, that's why. Got a lot of stuff to set there. I think it's this one. No, this is, well, I could use this one. But, what I have to do is just take the current level. I don't even know why I passed it in the first time. Yeah. Sometimes I look back at my code and it's like, what in the heck did I do here? Upgrade, setup. See, I did it here. It's like, set the power. The base power, I guess. Yeah, and it's the default, right? I think. I don't know where it put me. Yeah. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, for each that are unlocked, that's right. And then you cast and you get it. Yeah. And then you get the upgrade. Yes, okay, so I did get the yeah, so it gets the data here. When I upgrade, do I set it? I think I do. This is gonna be like super long for no reason. It's only 30 minutes long and just like, dude, why is this 30 minutes long? It's like, I don't know. Cause I'm doing it live. It's just here, I think. Generate. I've been coding too long, I think, today. Yeah, the actual upgrade part. Okay. I'm getting better at the guitar, I guess. That's pretty nice. I have a teacher now, so that's, that's cool. So, yeah. Alright, let me pause again. This is ridiculous. Okay, I finally fixed it. Just had to do the level up here instead. So, how it works. I'm really tired. I'm tired all the time. Sick and tired, boys. Sick and tired. There we go, see? Now it's working. Yeah. I think these icons are pretty decent. I might change the sword one though, it's kinda whack. Yeah, all that time just for something so small. Yeah, but I should be able to show more next time. Oh yeah, I also put the thing in the center. See, now it's in the center. Okay, the end. Yeah, the end. Bye-bye.